icing your skin. Ice reduces skin puffiness, eases acne, moisturizes dry skin, and leaves your skin refreshed. Do not directly apply the ice as it may be too harsh on your skin. Instead, wrap the ice cube in a clean towel, then apply in a circular motion on your skin. Make sure to do this just 3 times a week to avoid blemishes. 2. Sugar scrub exfoliation. Sugar scrubs helps to exfoliate dead skin cells to reveal a shiny, radiant skin texture underneath. Pour sugar and honey in a bowl. Mix it. For better effectiveness, you can also add almond oil to the mixture. Apply the scrub onto your skin in a circular motion. Then, rinse off with lukewarm water. This method should also not be done more than 3 times a week. 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is also linked to radiance and freshness, so make sure you try to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Number 2. Hair glow up. Long hair, eyelashes, and thick brows can be easily achieved if you follow these tips. 1. Application of castor oil. Castor oil is one of the best and most recommended oils for hair growth. Carefully part your hair into sections so that the oil penetrates into your scalp. Now, gently moisturize the oil onto each section till it's all over your scalp. It's safe to make it a daily routine. You can also apply the oil on your brows and lashes. Results for your hair should be expected after 2 months of consistency. Other alternative oils for hair growth are coconut, almond oil, etc. How to maintain ruffled brows. Apply a generous amount of Vaseline onto your eyebrows. Then use a brush or blade to smoothen it down the edges. Number 3. Lip glow up. I have a recipe here with me that will help you get your dreamy pink, soft lips. Homemade sugar lip scrub. As we've learned before, sugar is a very good exfoliant which will remove the dead skin cells to reveal your soft, shiny, and plump lips. Pour sugar, honey, and coconut oil into a bowl. Mix it. You can also add Vaseline to the mixture. Apply the scrub onto a toothbrush and gently exfoliate. After exfoliation, gently clean your lips with a clean towel. Apply any lip gloss of your choice to maintain that healthy, shiny glow. Number 4. Posture glow up. Good posture is not just good for your health, but it also shows that you pay attention